I like Warhammer. We're both nerds.
Nice. Today we are unboxing this mystery box. Which is very intriguing.
Yeah, I have the other version of this one.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's quite cool. Okay,
That is really cool.
Okay, Age of Sigmar.
Oh, I've got this one. That's really cool. Nice. Wow.
I might have destroyed
I've never seen anyone buy
This
it.
might be resin.
Some of the, oh really, yeah. Some of the Age of Sigmar stuff you can combine with
Oh no, it isn't.
40k stuff though. and
Yeah,
then-
like the demons and the balls.
Yeah.
This.
Oh,
Should
boo!
we start recording?
Yes.
I already
Okay,
did.
yeah. Oh, okay.
For the bloopers!
Yeah, okay. So,
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, it's the Start Collecting for Age of Sigmar.
Okay.
And what's this?
oh, what?
Oh.
Oh, poster.
Hey, remain to.
Oh, it's the
Is it?
post. I think it's the postage stuff.
Oh, postage information, yes.
Do
Does
we
anyone
need
have
that?
like a knife?
Oh, it's
Does
in
anyone have
that.
like a knife?
Oh, it's in
Like a knife?
Oh, it's in
It's easy to build. It's easy to build. Okay, now next up we have this.
Oh.
It's a mech.
It's a Primaris Redemptor Dreadnought.
Shut up. Okay, we're going to unbox this box inside this box now.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at how big the base is.
Oh, that comes with a big base.
That is really cool.
Okay, let's look at the parts. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3
And a
pieces.
transfer
Okay,
sheet.
yeah, we have 3 pieces.
There's
We have
Three
screws.
sprues.
Yeah. We have stickers.
They're not stickers, they're
Water slide
transfers.
transfers.
And finally, how big is this? Take 3. No, take 4. No, it's take 5 actually.
Stop!
Take 5.
That's not. That's
It's pretty good.
It's not the same one.
That's how big it is.
That's different.
Oh,
The timer.
that's
This is
Tyranitar.
the same size. as
Okay, is this a Tyranitar?
Yes.
I love. That's a Tyranitar.
It is. I've got one.
I love it. I love the Tyranitar. It's actually sharp.
Yes, I know.
Okay, so here's
So
this.
many bloopers.
This is
Yeah,
the
yeah,
Invicta
that's gonna be
Tactical Warsuit, which is the same size
Shut up.
as it.
Shut up, Sing. Shut up, fellow nerd. Okay, so we've got some Necron pieces. We've got some dice.
That's not just Necron pieces, that's the
Shut up,
Primaris
fellow
Lieutenant.
Okay, we've got some pieces here.
Bases, not pieces.
Oh yeah, the bases.
We've got some more pieces.
Sprues.
We've got some more technical pieces.
There's the board.
So what comes with it? They're like Necrons
So we get a
and
board, okay,
Oh,
and,
it's in a wrap.
we get a ball, and we get this.
And we get 2 rulers.
Yes.
Ooh.
And we also get some more stickers.
Because
They're
one
not
ruler just won't
stickers.
cut it.
Yeah. Also,
Yeah, because each player gets a ruler.
we get a partially destroyed base.
Yeah.
So yes.
Yeah, the bombed. The
Yeah.
bombed
You need to chuck that.
bunker.
Okay. This is very good to start off with. Okay.
Alright.
Wait, where's the take? The thing.
The thingy. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Wait, do you want to do the... Wait, do the tape again. Do the slap thing. Okay.
Thank you, Games Workshop, for this very fun day.
Yes, it was
The
so.
end.
Nice.
Also, disclaimer: try this at home.
Don't
Yeah.
try this at home.
Try it at home.
Don't try this at home.
Yes.
Try it at home if you want your mum to kill you.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The...
Ow.